Alright. Well, we're underneath this house here. Take a look around. And what it is, we got some duct that's not been run right. Look at this right here. Here's a pretty good close-up. Let me back up a little bit, maybe we can get a better shot. Yeah, look at that. Restrap it and redo where the duct's hooked up to the boots, because what they did was, this one right here I've already repaired. What it did was it came off. I had my strap there. There was a metal one there. As you can see, it was right there. Crushed the duct. And then there was a lot of slack here. And it was coming way down before it came back up here to the boot. And so we had this. It was like a, you know, that's a 90. It was probably like 180, you know, because when it comes off and then it drops down, that angle from dropping down to coming back up, you know, that was a whole lot more than 90. So what I did was I just took it and loose from the boot and cut it, shorten the length so there wasn't any sag. That's what she looks like now. But we got already, should have got some footage, but I replaced this run right here, as you can see. There it is right there. I replaced this run here. It's just a 6-inch, but it goes all the way down there, and it takes the supports off this one and re-support this one. Alright, here's our next one down our line. Right there. On down this run here and see what we got. Oh boy. Take a look at this. Okay, so we got a 6-inch turned into about a, what do you think, guys? Maybe a 2-inch, 3-inch maybe? I think we're going to replace this piece, but really? Good grief. I mean, a 5-year-old could have done better than that. Alright, let's get to it. That right there, that's acceptable. But and they got their straps about 4 foot apart, which is not, you know, I don't never run my straps on 4 foot. I always run them on 3 foot, 2 foot to 3 foot. And reason being, even on this 6-inch, and the reason being, this Because over time, even when it's new, it may not look like it's sagging, but over time it will sag. So even if you pull it tight, it'll still droop from one hanger to the next, and that causes restriction there at the support. So just going on down this line here, looks okay. We've got a little bit of sag in there, but if we go on down the line here, you can see right here what we got. We got a support here, which is not bad. Let's see the support itself. Yeah, that's too restricted. Let me back up, show you guys what it is. That's just that's too much for me right there. I don't know about you guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take his support off. And look at our drape. We come off our support and we come down, and look at there. Look at this, guys. I mean, they could have supported that, but they didn't. And look. So we're going to restrict this. We're going to mount this guy up here with some webbing, and then we're going to take this support out, put some webbing there, and then we're going to put another support right there. As you can see, we got another run, pretty bad shape. We got a return here. It's completely bare. Down a little way, so we're going to replace this whole entire return here, and we're going to re-support it. But and I just saw this on the supply. Look at this, guys. This is where the duct board right here connects to the metal. And look at this. I mean, hello. Oh man. The thing to have done would have been to overlap the duct board over the metal. And then what we do is we'll cut a piece of metal, you know, a band of metal, kind of like that. And I'll run the band over the duct board, where the duct board overlaps the metal duct. And then we would screw screws through the strapping, through the duct board, and then into the metal, and that would secure the duct board to the metal. But they cut the duct board too short here, so that's just going to have to be one more thing we're going to have to take care of. So let me pull this return out and pull this other supply out, and we're going to get it all done. I don't know why I keep turning my camera sideways. It's probably sideways for you guys too. I got a new camera, so forgive me if I'm messing everything up. But anyway, here's the return we're pulling out, and guess what? Where the two come together, this is what we got. Yeah, look at there. Yep. There it is. With some duct tape. Okay, well, we run a new one. We're going to fasten it with some metal together. This is one of the last runs we got to do. We're out of here.